going to be doing a Luna swirl today. This technique was created by Luna and the Leaf, and I'm going to be doing a hopefully decelerating or at least well-behaved fragrance. I'm going to be using Wholesale Supplies Plus Abalone Sea, and I have not used this in cold process yet, but I've used it in other applications, but it's supposed to be very well behaved. Fingers crossed that it will be. I'm not going with like a tropical look, but kind of like a soothing oceany type look. The colors I'm going to be using, I have a Bluebell Mica from Nurture Soap, and that's a beautiful color, and then I have Laurel Green again from Nurture Soap, and then for the third, I'm going to be using 3 colors. And the third color is a mixture of Honeyed Beige Mica from Bramble, and then Mocha from Nurture Soap. This Mocha in the container looks really kind of a coppery or a cappuccino, but when in cold process, it's really almost like a gray version of a tan, I guess. It's not really a warm, it's really a cool colored brown. So I mixed those two together because I want it to be a little bit darker than this, but I want it to have a little bit of the warmer tones in it. So hopefully that'll turn out okay. So when you're doing this technique, it is a hanger swirl, but you're doing a lightening of it. So you're going from the darker color and you're lightening with a white. So you're having a nice transition, and it's supposed to add a bright pop to the color. And then you do your 3 layers, do a wall pour, and then you do your hanger swirl. So we're going to try it out and see what happens. And I've got these little seashells, if you can see them, that I'm going to be putting on top. And these are ones I actually made a while ago. I had extra batter that I had poured, and I had those sitting in the freezer actually, and I'm going to use them now. I don't know if you can see it over here. I made my batter. I've got a couple extra ounces of soap per se, and I'm going to be using, I don't know if you can see it over here, but this is going to be for another project. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Hopefully everything will turn out okay. I am very limited on time the next week or so. My kids are back at school and just life is crazy. So anyway, I'm only going to be doing 1 loaf. I'm not going to be doing 2. Usually I do that, but this, when I did it before, this technique takes a very long time to pour and then get the swirls in. So I'm just going to do 1 loaf. I don't have time to do 2. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started.